Hi there. These are our Herkules powered rolls. Very big, heavy duty set of rolls, 3-phase. I've been unable to identify the model exactly. I've written down a couple of the options that I think it's either of. Basically the two rear rolls at the back are powered and got 2 speeds. The front or third roll here is powered going in and out and has got 2 speeds for that. There's not a lot to demonstrate. That third roll coming in and out has got a wee gauge here, so you've got a reference. So that's the powered rolls going in one direction, and that's in the fast speed. The other direction. Just change that to slow, and that's the slow speed in one direction and the other direction. That's that third roll coming in, now out towards you. That gauge is moving, showing its position. I'll change that to fast. So that's coming fast in there and then going fast out towards you. So that's probably all there is to demonstrate really. So yeah, super big heavy duty set and all set to go.